In a sunlit garden, a young girl learned that every living thing carries hidden instructions. Inside glowing jars, invisible ribbons quietly guided how plants grow, change, and survive. But when the world became hotter and drier, not every plant could endure. One plant had already mastered the secret of surviving long days without water. By moving a single instruction, a new way of growing slowly took shape. The new seed was planted, carrying hope beneath the worn soil. The instructions worked, creating a stronger bloom ready for a changing world. With care and wisdom, even small changes can help nature bloom anew.